So, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used to indicate that both the subject and the object of a sentence receive the action of the verb. I'll take that again. Reflexive pronouns are used to indicate that both the subject and the object of a sentence receive the action of the verb. To make things easier to you, you must understand the following table. Now, this is the table we have for reflexive pronouns. So, this is the simplest way that you can understand reflexive pronouns. When you know the personal pronouns, it becomes very easy for you to know the reflexive pronouns. So, we have I becomes myself. You becomes yourself. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. We, ourselves. You, yourselves. They, themselves. Take note. We, you, they. It's plural. These are plural, so they must be in the plural form. For example, I cut myself in the kitchen. I cut myself in the kitchen. It means that I was using the knife and I cut my finger. I cut myself in the kitchen. More examples. He hurt himself when he fell off his skateboard. He hurt himself when he fell off his skateboard. He, himself. She usually talks to herself in front of the mirror. She usually talks to herself in front of the mirror. She, herself. David reads quietly to himself. David reads quietly to himself. David, himself. We can trust in ourselves. We can trust in ourselves. We, ourselves. We can trust in ourselves. We, ourselves. Yeah, S was omitted, so it's supposed to be David reads. Okay, the students can monitor themselves. The students can monitor themselves. So if you look at students and themselves, take note. Students is in plural, and that is why we have themselves. Themselves. And take note. Be careful with the uses of yourself and yourselves. Yourself is in the singular form. For example, you always blame yourself when something is wrong. But you always blame yourself when something is wrong. This is now talking about one person, the singular form. Yourselves is the plural form, means more than one person. Mike and Tina, you must take care of yourselves. Mike and Tina, you must take care of yourselves. So you see, because there are two persons, Mike and Tina, we use yourselves and not yourself. Yourself with F means you're talking to only one person. But when it comes to two or more persons, it must be yourselves. Note number 2. You can use reflexive pronouns after by to emphasize that someone did something without any help, or to say that someone is alone. Remember, we use reflexive pronouns for emphasis. We also use reflexive pronouns for emphasis. For example, I did the homework by myself. I did the homework by myself. He lived in England for 6 years by himself. By himself means he lives the alone. He lived in England for 6 years by himself, or by himself. He lived alone for 6 years in England. Okay. And note number 3. Do not use reflexive pronouns after with, meaning accompanied by. Do not use reflexive pronouns after with, meaning accompanied by. For example, why didn't you bring your sister with you? Why didn't you bring your sister with you? So you cannot say, why didn't you bring your sister with yourself? Wrong. You cannot use reflexive pronouns with. you use a personal pronoun. Why didn't you bring your sister with you, and not why didn't you bring your sister with yourself? And note number 4, do not use reflexive pronouns when referring to places. Do not use reflexive pronouns when referring to places. For example, you have to keep your experiment in front of you. You here, this sentence is talking about place. You have to keep your experiment in front of you. So you cannot say you have to keep your experiment in front of yourself. No, it doesn't go like that. You have to keep your experiment in front of you. Note 5. Do not use reflexive pronouns with verbs which describe actions that people normally do to themselves. Do not use reflexive pronouns with verbs which describe actions that people normally do to themselves. For example, I usually shave in the morning. I usually shave in the morning. Shave here is an action verb, and this is something that you can do by yourself. So you cannot say, I usually shave myself in the morning. No, that is wrong. You say, I usually shave in the morning. And now let's try to do this by ourselves. Let's try to practice this by ourselves. Let's check our understanding of the topic reflexive pronouns. 1. I fix my car. Okay, I guess you got the answer correct. I fix my car by myself. I fix my car by myself. Okay. I fix my car by myself. Okay, so sorry about this. This writing cannot be that good. Okay, I fix my car by myself. Good. Now 2. Kelly finished her exercise by... Kelly finished her exercise by herself. Okay, because it's we are talking about Kelly, which is her. So Kelly finished her exercise by herself. Don't mind, I'm struggling to write with this, which is not really easy. Okay. Kelly finished her exercise by herself. Good. And the next one, you can buy yourself an ice cream. You can buy yourself. You can buy yourself an ice cream. You can buy yourself an ice cream. Okay. Yourself. Okay, so you can buy yourself an ice cream. Number 4, they watch the movie by... They watch the movie by themselves. They watch the movie by themselves. This is plural. They watch the movie by themselves. Okay. Good. So they watch the movie by themselves. And number 5, he would bring this friends with... He will bring his friends with himself. No, sorry. He will bring his friend with him. Remember, we said we don't use him with reflexive pronouns. So, he will bring his friends with him. So, this is supposed to be with him and not with himself. I hope you were not thinking of himself. Okay. He will bring his friends with him. And the last one, they usually talk to... They usually talk to themselves. Take note, not their selves. We say themselves. Most people usually confuse themselves and their self. Some will say their self. That is wrong. We use but the object. Remember, this is the object. So you're supposed to use but the object pronoun and not possessive pronoun. Themselves. Okay. So good. So they usually talk to themselves. They usually talk to themselves. So please take note. Themselves and not their self. Himself and not his self. Okay, those are the little confusions that people usually do. And here comes to the end of our lesson.